Tips for short hairstyles. First of all, don't use too much hair creams and hair gels for short hair. It will weigh down the look of your hair. Wash short hair frequently. It is very important to wash them properly with shampoo more often. The oil produced from roots will make your hair look greasy. Short hair look more oily as they are close to the roots. If you have thin hair and want to make them look thick, try shampoo for dry hair. Dry shampoo will give a voluminous look to your short and thin hair. Giving a new hair color also makes you look very stylish with a short haircut. The best hairstyles for short hair included bob cut, bangs and curvaceous spirals. Thanks for watching the video. Please do subscribe to our YouTube channel and learn a lot of more tips and tricks.